Fill in gaps in panel data using Python Pandas. Consider an unbalanced panel where the gaps are informative, for example true zeros. I would like to add the zeros back in. Essentially, I am trying to recreate the functionality of the state of function, fill, in Pandas. Example data, I construct a balanced panel, and remove some of the observations. One way to make the panel balanced again is to merge the unbalanced panel to a data frame with balanced ID and date columns. In addition to being clunky, I find this approach is really slow as n gets big. I figured there must be a more efficient way to rebalance the panel, but I couldn't find it. P.S. This is my first question on Stack Overflow, so any constructive criticism for future questions very much appreciated.
As far as performance goes, appending data frames in Pandas is a slow operation when compared to appending lists. Indexes are immutable, so a new index is created each time you append. Here's a solution that builds collections outside of Pandas and then joins them into a data frame.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.